Another thing I'd like to show you, and this is going to be a bit of a review, plus you're going to learn probably one new thing, is formatting your paragraphs. So if I have these paragraphs right here, and I want them to look like a little bit better, one of the things I want to do is add some space between the paragraphs. So we've already seen how to do that, and we highlight all the paragraphs, format, paragraph, and then I add a little spacing after each paragraph, and it adds that space after each paragraph. I probably also want to go to format, paragraph, and then add some indentation. So here's indentation. I'm going to add first line indentation, and there we go. I've added a little indentation on the first line. Well, here's a feature of paragraph formatting, which is kind of nice to know about. If you have a paragraph and it breaks over a page, and let's say I don't want that one right there to break over that page, I could highlight that paragraph, go to format, paragraph, and go under line and page breaks. And I could say keep these lines together. So that makes total sense. And when I click OK there, it's going to keep those lines together. You have obviously some other options in here. Quite frankly, I don't find any of these other options really useful or even worthy of knowing about. But keeping lines together is something that does make sense to me and which I use occasionally. So I just wanted to pass that on. So those are some of the options under formatting your paragraph. We've seen a lot of them, and I'm just making sure that we're thorough and we're covering all the different stuff that's here.